Guys, we got it. The Apple Watch. Hang on. Series 8. I hope that could focus for you. But let's... Oh, that's not how we're supposed to do it. That's how we're supposed to do it. And unbox it. Okay, this is the band. Alright, let's peel that sticker. This goodness. Yep. There we go. Goodbye. Sorry, it's hard recording when you just got the watch. You're pretty excited. I know I am. All right. Oh my God! Look how beautiful it is. Then it's nice protective case. It's so beautiful. Look at all these new sensors they added. Looks so amazing. Let's see if we any power. There it goes. Oh, obviously no stickers, but the USB Type-C to lightning cable. We don't need that. I'll just quickly open this watch band. Oh, everything is peel the sticker. Is it on? Yes, there is on. I have to compare it to the Series 4. This looks so beautiful. I am so happy. Well, we're happy. Okay, let's get the watch. Continue. Hey guys, I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna set this up, and then I'll make some comparison videos with the Series 4. So make sure you subscribe for the comparison video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.